In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy on TradingView mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go in your chart and you want to tap at the bottom right where you can see the arrow up, arrow down button. Now, it's going to be this one over here. Simply tap on it. And here you want to connect your broker you want to start buying with on TradingView. I'm going to go with paper trading over here, but of course, you can connect any broker by tapping on it, signing in with your credentials, and then connecting the broker. So I'm going to go with paper and tap on connect, and I'm good to go. Now, whenever you're signed into your broker, you want to tap on the same button at the bottom, so the arrow up, arrow down button. Tap on that, and from here you can basically create your orders. So you have the sell and buy up top. Tap on the buy button, of course, if you want to buy. Then you can select the order type, market, limit, or stop over here. If you have market, it's going to buy at the current market price, but limit and stop, of course, allow you to basically place a limit or stop order where you can set the price you want to use. I'm going to go with market right now, and I'm going to purchase 1 unit. Of course, you can change this to whatever you want as well. You can add take profits or stop losses if that's something you're interested in. And then down there, you can see order info. If you're good to go, you can simply tap on buy. And there we go. That's how to buy on TradingView mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.